In this question, two statements are given, and in the light of these two statements, you have to choose the correct option. Statement 1. The codon AUG codes for methionine and phenylalanine. This is incorrect. The codon AUG codes for methionine, and it is also serves as the start codon for protein synthesis. However, it does not code for phenylalanine. Statement 2. AAA and AAG both codons code for the amino acid lysine. It is true. Both of these codons indeed code for amino acid lysine. Hence, the correct answer is option A. That is, statement 1 is incorrect, but statement 2 is correct.